So let's move on to tourism impacts. Here are the learning objectives. Have a basic understanding and various impacts of tourism. Be aware that tourism impacts can be categorized as positive or negative. Know the range of perspective of tourism impacts and outline methods, open discussion, and mitigating the negative impacts of tourism. Key perspectives on tourism impacts. Impacts are multifaceted. Tourism impacts can be categorized into three: economic, socio-cultural, and environmental. It can be positive or beneficial or negative or detrimental. The impacts also depends on the value and judgment of the observer. Tourism and its economic impacts. Tourism and its socio-cultural impacts. Introduction to socio-cultural impacts of tourism. We have sociology and culture, the tourist culture and elements of culture. Here are some of the elements of culture: handicrafts, language, tradition, gastronomy, art and music history, local work, architecture, religion, educational systems, dress, and leisure activities. Relevant culture concepts. We have norms and rules, emotionology, orientalism, primitivism, ethnocentrism, and xenophobia. Social-cultural impacts of tourism. Tourism and its environmental impacts. The three perspectives relationship of tourism and environment. First is tourist-environment interactions. Second is tourist-host interactions. Third is host-environment interactions.
Tourism and environment, the symbiotic relationship.
The environmental benefits are the following. First, environmental awareness. Second, enhancements of local environment. And third, protection and conservation of wildlife.
Environmental awareness. Tourism has the potential to increase public appreciation of the environment and to spread awareness of environmental problems when it brings people into closer contact with nature and the environment. Enhancement of local environments. Retain and increase visitor numbers by improving the general amenity value of the local environment. Protection and conservation of wildlife. Tourism acts as a force of conservation as it offers an alternative economic use. Tourism draws attention to issues relating to biodiversity, endangered species, and human impact on the environment. That is according to Doswell, 1997.
The environmental costs are the following. First, inappropriate development. Second, loss of natural habitat and effects on wildlife. Third, pollution. Fourth, loss of spirit. Fifth, overcrowding and traffic congestion. And sixth, activities that are affecting the natural environment.
Inappropriate development. Tourism development may be classed as inappropriate if it fails to be sensitive to the natural environment. Long-term planning in environment terms should be done. Loss of natural habitat and effects on wildlife. Development of facilities and subsequent tourist use may result in rapid or more gradual effects on habitats. Trampling causes disturbance to vegetation and soil. Pollution. The types of pollution are water, air, noise, and land or solid waste. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological materials that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or damages the natural environment into the atmosphere. Noise pollution. Noise pollution or environmental noise is displeasing human, animal, or machine-created sound that disrupts the activity or balance of human or animal life. Solid waste. Solid waste is also referred to as rubbish, trash, garbage, or junk depending upon the type of material and the regional terminology. In living organisms, waste relates to unwanted substances or toxins that are expelled from them.
Overcrowding and traffic congestion. It happens when the volume of tourists exceeds the capacity of an environment. Overcrowding poses an increased risk of environmental damage through erosion and restricts visitor appreciation of the destination. It includes inappropriate parking. Congestion damages vegetation, causes erosion, and adds to localized pollution. The effects of activities. Skiing or alpine tourism. Mountain ecosystems are generally fragile, but many are prone to intensive use. Many view skiing as a damaging activity because it requires associated development such as lodges, resorts, roads, and cause severe erosion and deforestation.
Specific measures to minimize environmental damage.
Tourism-related companies realized that turning green makes good business sense. The German tourism industry experience. In the hotel sector, installing water-saving devices, abolishing individually wrapped food items at the breakfast buffet, using recycled paper and reusable bottles. In resorts, decreasing automobile traffic in resorts, clinic, and recreational zones by constructing parking areas outside of the central areas and using electric buses. In travel agencies, publication of brochure offering tips and information on species protection and environmentally proper behavior to vacationers. In transportation, use high-capacity airplanes to reduce noise and emissions of pollutants and fuel consumption. In cities and towns, use of solar energy, replacing regular light bulbs for energy-saving bulbs, promoting bicycles for inner city transport, and use of rainwater.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier.